Alright, so good morning everyone. It's 10 minutes past 8 in the morning, and I'm going to see my grandfather in 20 minutes. I'm also going to see my grandmother to collect Maiken, my father's dog, who's with her. And we're going to go bird watching in Fredrikstad, as I said yesterday. The weather is fine today. It's cold, but it's sunny, and there doesn't seem to be any rain on the horizon or anything. So that's something at least. Otherwise, yeah, I exercised last evening and I chilled a bit and I edited the assignment that I sent in because the teacher had changed some things, so I had to alter my submitted assignment that I had, and but that didn't take many minutes because it was just a small print message before each sentence, and that took like 2 minutes to code. I'm going to start studying for my exam that's on the 12th of June tomorrow. It's an exam that I've failed several times because I've never had the motivation to pass it, and that's what's been keeping me away from my medical studies, because I've just been so depressed and everything. I have one more shot in August if I should fail now, and I hope that I would be in a better place right now than I am, because I hope that I would have come further than I have in my transition and general, mood and such, but things never goes to plan, I mean, I am in a much better place now than on New Year's Eve when I tried to kill myself, of course. But still. I mean, you can't rush things. I mean, you can't hurry love. Oh, you just have to wait. It's a game of give and take. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Pudding! Oh, I have it stuck in my head, from The Walking Dead. Like I said before. I saw a movie called Demon House when I was riding my bike today, and meh. I'm going to say that. That's my verdict on the film. It's shot in a documentary style about some dude who goes examining a house that's haunted, and his crew members getting ill and such. I checked the rating afterwards and it's only a 5.6, and I say that I wouldn't give it more than a 5, or no, I wouldn't give it more than a 5 on IMDb, so but I mean, it's always good because there are sometimes some gems that are rated quite low. I mean, Sleepaway Camp, for example, I believe it has a 5 or so, and I mean, it has one of the best plot twists of all time. I'm not going to spoil it, but everyone probably already knows that, because if they've seen it and are old enough. Angela. It's not Angela. She always gets away with everything. Oh, Angela. Oh, Angela. And then she's standing there like that. And if you think about overacting, the woman who plays the mom slash aunt is probably the most overacting character I've ever seen. She just hams it out away. A very large ham, you know. She takes so much space. I mean, it makes her memorable. I mean, it's always better to be remembered than not being remembered at all. Even though she probably isn't remembered for something positive. So now I'm using my brother's keyboard and it works fine. So thank you, Marcus, for that. He's my youngest sibling of two. The other one is Jesper. We are 23 and 22. We live together. In an apartment that's smaller than mine. Which is a bit weird since they're both working and making enough money to afford having their own apartments. But I mean, both my brother and my grandmother said it's because they can't handle being alone. They've never been independent in their entire lives. Och det var sykt för frågor, de gjorde jag en nöjd man. Men på någon impotens, det kallar man James. Så du vill ha ett bord och pigen vill ha ett bord. Det var sykt för kokor, de gjorde jag en nöjd man. So, voice training when I get back home, and I'm also going to tend to my grandma's cats, since she's going to be away all day today. Otherwise, no, not much planned. Probably take it easy today, since I've, been on an overactive setting for quite some time now. So I need to, take it easy for a while. so I can focus on my studies and all that. I've noticed that my weight is dropping a bit to about 71 now, from 72.5, 73, but that's not a major issue at the moment, I believe. At least not until I drop below 70, if that should happen. And I mean, I'm eating and all that, but I'm also exercising like an idiot. So, I'm gonna say bye now, and I'll see you later, so bye bye.